we are fishing at a beach with no surf or waves. So this could get any result. We could get huge fish. But since it's pretty much like a lake, we're using beach rods, which gives us the use to cast it out a lot further. So hopefully we can get some bangers. See you in a minute.
Keep going. What is that? What it could be? Yeah, it might be a flathead. That's a good bite. What could it be? High energy. I like the pilchards. Keep going. We don't know how big it is yet, so we'll see. Oh, something. Might be a whiting. Tighten the drag up. Yeah, it's alright, you still have it. Ooh, yeah, bring it in. Oh, keep going, Taylor. Yes. Oh, sweet. Alright. Quick, alright, you know that. Good. Not bad, we'll have to measure it. What is it? It might be a ray. We on again? It's heavy though. Come down to the water. What is that? What is that? Is that a shovel nose? That's a banjo ray. Alright, sweet. Pretty good. Trying to hold him up. Should you hold the back of it? Okay, we are now.
These are like shovel-nosed sharks. They are just more like a stingray on them, but they just have the sharp tail here. But the only one thing with them is they're a lot smaller, but they have these spikes along here, and they are pretty sharp. So I don't suggest holding them like that. They flap around. It will hurt, so
get him back in the water.
Let's get him back. We got this banjo shark, not like a shovel-nosed shark, but we're just going to get him back in the water.
There he goes. Oh, watch out, he's coming back. Yeah, the pattern's pretty cool. How about that? Give him a throw, I reckon, just a little bit. Yeah, it should be right now. Oh no, there he goes. He's off. Just about to leave, were we?
We're actually packing up.
You right? You want a hand?
No, I got it.
Keep going.
We're looking at this and has it just popped off.
Popped off.
Oh.
There might be some weed on it too.
Hopefully not another banjo. These banjos are good, but
Hopefully not a ray. I just packed everything up.
don't tell me what it is.
Okay, that. Oh, it's another one. It's bigger though, isn't it? Wow.
That's a lot bigger.
Want to have a look at it?
That's a lot bigger.
Hold it back, you don't get spiked.
This one actually got spikes.
I don't know. We don't want to find out.
Whoa.
It's bigger. Okay, let's have a look at it. I'm over here. Oh wow, look at that. These are a bit bigger this one. We'll be able to get the hook out so we can see the one. Don't get spiked. Wow.
This one I'm going to just need spikes.
I'm going to take that hook out. Looks pretty, it looks like we can get it out.
You reckon they're as big as this? These, I'm pretty sure this is sub-tier stingers. So, once we hold it on the tail, so we'll just get it straight back in the water.
Should be right to go.